What's up guys and welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna learn how to download Fortnite in Android and your tablets. First, go to your browser and search www.epicgames.com/Fortnite. So guys, this game is compatible for some devices like Samsung Galaxy S7, S7 Edge, Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, and bunch of other phones. So if if your phone is 3 GB or higher, you can download Fortnite. So if your phone is 2 GB or less than that, so you're gonna not download this game. So it's downloaded. So it's the Fortnite installer. So let's uninstall it. So guys, as you can see, it said your device not supported. So my device is 2 GB of RAM. So if you enjoyed this quick video, make sure to give a giant thumbs up and subscribe to my channel with the notification on. As I always, take care and